Jake's M4. Color shift though looks so good. I like how he did the gold rims with an offset color like purple, and then he did his carbon fiber wing. That thing is expensive. He did his ARMYTRIX exhaust with the blue tips, and then I think he lowered it, and then he also did a tune, so then there's more pops so when he revs it. And then he did an APR carbon fiber front lip.
Dude, he's from London. He drives on the other side of the road.
Open the exhaust. So, break in. Rev it up, dude.
Why is it so quiet?
Oh, the valves weren't on, guys. That makes sense. So we turn on the valves for the ARMYTRIX exhaust. I'm just gonna do another loop, just like right here. Do it for the views, boys. That sounds so good.